So here's another video, and I'm going to sound less tired, and I'm going to hold it right so that we can see both me and Nina. Because I couldn't see us before. And this is my baby. She's eating lots of cereal. What you got? Are we going to plug that into Nina?
Huh?
There. Hmm? Doing what? Uh-huh. And now I've got a video of you. I said I'm recording you now.
Recording me?
Yeah, say something funny, then when you see the video you'll laugh at it.
Why is the baby not here on here? Because it's a fun stroller.
Zoom back out.
And I'll show you the... okay.
Baby, no, don't open that. If she wants to eat, she can eat the cereal.
Oh.
And this is my Nina, and she looks like a little baby.
I'll put it on the stroller. So, hey baby,
Hmm.
I want a baby. Baby, I want a baby. I'll open it for you.
No, that's not for her. She can have her cup. You find her blue cup? No, you can have your blue cup. If you can't find it, I'll look for it because she needs to drink out of that because then she won't make a mess. And that will be all good. Can you hold this for a second, Hugs? Come here, baby. You find a cup? V, put that back. You're videoing your feet. Hold on. You can get up for a second. I gotta find the baby's water. Where's the camera? Oh, you're videoing nothing, you know? Do something funny, that way you'll laugh when you see it. Oh, that's not funny. Just watch. When you watch this, you're gonna wish that baby on the video did something funny. Like use toilet tissue as a pillow. Watch, do it, and then you'll laugh at it. There. Rest, little toilet. Rest on the toilet tissue.